What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review. Excuse my mess. It is a hot mess. It is pouring outside. It's thunderstorming. It's lightning. So my hair's going to be frizzy today. It looks like crap. My boyfriend brought me this Kimble auto rotating curling iron. Everything goes that way, then it goes back. It's got a home button. Puts it right back in center. Then it's got the degrees on the bottom. You go down here, up here it goes to 410. So I do it on 410. Then this is the on and off button. You just hold it down for a few seconds. It turns on and off. So we're going to let this heat up for a few minutes. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you. I have used this one time because I don't have a whole lot of time. I only do, well, I done it one time because we was having Christmas dinner. I don't have a lot of time to get myself ready in the mornings, but on the weekends, that's when I tend to dress up. If I go out, if I don't, then of course I don't do anything to my hair. I just throw it up, or either it's just down. So I'm gonna let this heat up, and then we will curl my hair. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss a video I upload, and stay tuned, and I will see you shortly. Alright, so don't judge my nappy head because it has been in a bun. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take, you don't want very thick pieces, so I'm going to section my hair off as I do it, like I would be if I was flat iron straightening it. You also want to spray your hair with some heat protectant. I need to do that first before I just throw it all up. Because you want to protect your hair from heat. You don't really have to do it all the way to the roots, but just on the ends. And this stuff smells really good. So do that, then I'm going to comb it through. Then I'm going to section it off again. That stuff smells really good. It smells like some kind of fruit. Okay, so once you have that, I then comb it again and flip you around so you can see me, because I have to use my mirror. And it's got this little piece. That's the piece you want to just put a little piece of your hair in, and then go down as far as you want to. You can rotate it either way, and mine come out, so I had it too far down. I'll leave a tail at the end of mine, so then we're just going to curl it, go up as far as you would like. It does have a rubber top, and then wait a few seconds and then release, and you have your curl. So we'll do another piece. It's a little complicated at the first, but once you get the hang of it, it won't be so bad. You'll be curling your hair in no time. You can see that one a little bit better. This side is a tricky part for me because I'm definitely right-handed. But again, you just curl it, hit your button, and then I'll be trying to find my switch, and there's your curl. most time I had to do it from this side because, like I said, I am right-handed, and it is so hard for me to do it on my right side. But either way, you're still gonna have pretty curls. So there's my first layer. And then we're just gonna section off some more. Throw the rest up. Now when I start doing the other layers, I just tend to just come up with my hands because I don't want to mess up my curls yet. And I burnt my ear. We're gonna re-curl this piece because it's not curly because I burnt myself, so that is not good. You don't want to burn yourself, that's for sure. So keep it away from there this time. Wait a few seconds, release, and there you have your curl. Then I'll recurl this piece. You can do bigger pieces, but I don't have luck with the bigger pieces. So this is a thicker piece. Don't look too bad. So I'm going to fast forward this and finish this, and then I'll come back so you can see the finish, because I highly doubt you would want to see me do the full version. So I'm going to fast forward or time lapse it, and then I'll be back. Alright, I have one more piece. But see how the colors, they're just so pretty. So, here's all my hair. I'm not sure if you can see the back because I can't see the back. It also comes with a glove. Let me grab that so you can see. And I will show you what the glove looks like because it comes with a glove. It also comes with another barrel. So I'm going to show you those before I style my hair. So this is how it looks. I did buy this from Walmart. I also have her flat iron. It's got a laser point in there. It works really well. But here's the glove. It's black and pink. Dropping the little pieces. And then here's the other barrel. It's a smaller barrel. It I use the bigger one because my hair is a little bit longer. This would probably be good like for the ones that does like the side pieces where they just bring a little bit down, just to give it a tighter curl. And these are only 50 bucks at Walmart. So now you can either just run your fingers through it, or you still have your curls, or you can brush it. I don't really want to brush through it. So that's how it looks when I comb my hair through it. You can spray it with hairspray or mousse or whatever you want to put in there. Well, not mousse, because if you get it wet, it's going to fall out. But you can spray some hairspray in it, or you can either do the spray gel if you like the spray gel. So it don't really look that good in the camera, but when you face it towards the mirror, it looks like beach waves. So it does look like the beach waves. So I love this curling iron. So this second time I've used it. I love this thing. I couldn't have asked for a better gift because I want curly hair. I just recently stripped the perm out of it and I messed my hair up pretty bad. But, well, I didn't. The hairstylist I went to that had put the blue in my hair fried my hair. And then when I tried to strip the perm out, it fried my hair. I cut my ends off. And that's a video for another day because I can just go on and on. But I love this curling iron. And then the heat product that I use is called Beyond the Zone Pro Formula. Turn up the heat, flat iron protection. But this is good for the hair dryer. Any kind of heat tools you have, this will work great. Like I said, it smells fruity. Smells really good. It doesn't really make your hair oily, but just be cautious of how much you spray because it will make your hair very oily. And that's my review for today. Let me know what you think about my hair. And sorry, my bathroom is just so small. I have no room, so I can't really like sit back and just flip my hair, but let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.